Is Meta AI missing from your WhatsApp app? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through multiple proven methods to fix this issue. So by the end, you'll have Meta AI working perfectly on your Android phone. Plus, I've got an extra tip at the end that most people miss, which could make all the difference. So stick around. Let's jump right in. If you're wondering, why is Meta AI not showing up on my WhatsApp? This video has the answers you need. The first thing you should check is whether your WhatsApp is running the latest version. Outdated apps often miss out on new features like Meta AI. To do this, simply open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Messenger and check if there's an update button next to it. If you see it, tap Update and wait for it to finish installing. This simple step solves the problem for many users. But what if your WhatsApp is already updated and Meta AI is still missing? No worries. Let's move on to the next solution. Sometimes cached files and data glitches can prevent new features from showing up. Here's what you need to do. Open your settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Find and select WhatsApp from your list of apps. Tap on Storage and Cache, then hit Clear Cache and Clear Storage Data. After that, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone, then reinstall it from the Play Store. Once reinstalled, open WhatsApp and check. Many users find Meta AI appears right after this step. But we're not done yet. There's another important thing to consider. WhatsApp often rolls out new features region by region. So if Meta AI still doesn't show up, it could simply be that it hasn't been released in your area yet. In this case, be patient. Keep checking for updates regularly, and the feature should appear soon. Now, here's an extra step that many people overlook, and it could make all the difference. Bonus tip. If Meta AI is still not showing on your WhatsApp, you can actually reach out to WhatsApp support directly. Here's how you do it. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Help, then tap Contact Us. In the message box, explain your issue clearly. You can write something like, "Hello, I'm currently not seeing the Meta AI feature in my WhatsApp application, even after updating and reinstalling. Can you confirm if this feature is available in my region or assist me in enabling it?" Attach a screenshot if possible and submit your message. WhatsApp's support team is usually quite responsive and can give you direct guidance for your account or region. So, which of these solutions worked for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful tips, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.